Guys, I'm at a Rainforest cafe for the first time.
I've been here at least 20 times in my life.
I've never been.
Once a year.
Where's Tracy Tree? I have to go say hi to Tracy Tree. I've never been. I'm so
super duper sugar squisher.
right. Hold on. We're in.
Oh,
We're in.
I forgot. We're off.
All right. Well, guys, we're in Bubble Planet. This is so sick. This is the best $30 I've ever spent in my whole life. Hold on.
Screens.
Oh, here. Right. No, right. Guys, this is the coolest thing I've ever done. Turtle. Shark.
If you step on the people, you scared them.
Oh. Wait, I got it. Turtle. Sorry. Sorry. This is so sick. This is the coolest thing I've ever done in my life. This is peak. Yeah.
Why is there a bib?
I don't know.
You don't see the ball.
Oh my, there's a ball pit. There's a ball pit. Latex contact. If you're sensitive to latex, too bad. I'm going. Guys. Paula, did you see the tree? It moved. I feel like I'm gonna pop a balloon. This is the coolest experience I've ever had in my whole life. Hi.
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 Guys, this is so hype.
Get hype.
Get sick, get
That
ill.
one had a big clump of hair on it.
Ew.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. There's one right under my butt.
Right.
Excuse me. She's getting a fish. It's cute. It's so cute. I want a frog.
Get a frog. I want a frog.
It's so cute.
I'm after a pink fish.
Pink fish. Done. Done. Hi guys.
Guys, there's a thunderstorm. And we're about to get balloon animals. That's the thunderstorm?
Yeah.
We survived. It's like natural disaster on Roblox.
Yeah, sure. It's comparative.
Yep.
I feel like I have to like slink down or scoot back. I think you could make me.
I bet you could. Bright purple purple.
Cut it out. Cut it out.
It is currently 7:34. And we're at a Rainforest cafe as two legal adults. Both have ordered the souvenir cups, and we're about to get balloon animals.
You have to stop.
We already went to Bubble
You
Planet.
have to stop. I'm so serious.
I'm not.
You have to. You can't like let him go by. I'll cry.
Oh, to stop?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you meant stop him from getting this one. Oh my god, I got it. What do you want?
Frog.
A frog? Okay.
You need a fish and frog.
Okay,
Serious.
yeah. Hey, she really wants a frog.
A frog? I
Yeah.
can't do a frog.
It's okay.
Frog, what do you
What
want?
other aquatic animals can we do?
I can do octopus, sea turtle, fish on a fishing pole.
Turtle.
Sea turtle?
She's turtle.
Okay.
Can I get a fish?
Yeah,
Thank
gotcha.
you. That's awesome. I'm hyped. I'm so excited. Every day. Tracy!
You may even see a shooting star go by. Come join us, have fun,
Don't think I will.
and learn all about
for your
my
name.
friends and home.
What?
Oh, what's my name? Oh, so we hate me. I went to Rainforest Cafe.
Guys,
Who says it?
just gonna do a haul.
It's $12. I got a Dr. Pepper, large Dr. Pepper probably, I don't know, and a cup, and memories that are gonna last a lifetime. I'm gonna tell my kids about this for $11, $12. You know how much this was? Free, but I tipped the guy $5
Why?
because he was hot.
There it is.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours.